Hi kiddos, so for today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper ladybug. This is the one that I created, and with the loops it's going to be very bouncy. So for the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make the leaf. You should have a huge piece of paper in your basket, or you might need to grab one from a different location in the room. You're going to take your big piece of green paper and you are going to fold it in half, hot dog style. And you can draw the leaf, or like me, I'm going to be cutting it. I'm going to make a huge curve going from the top fold to the side fold. And when you open it up, it should make a sort of like a football shape, also known as a leaf. If yours is a different shape than mine, totally fine. Leaves are different sizes and shapes. And you are going to decorate your leaf however you would like. I like drawing these little vines, these little veins of the leaf. Some of you have probably seen those in real life. Make it however you would like, and once you're happy with it, you are going to go to the next step, which is making the body of the ladybug, which is what I'm pointing to right now. And you're going to get those pieces of paper from your basket as well. Now, some of the pieces like this one, I have to cut and sort of fix it up because it's not looking the best. And then you're going to be rolling it around. Now, when I roll it around right here, I'm noticing that it's a little too wide. So I might need to cut this guy in half. There you go. And now it's easier for me to roll it up, and I like it. So I'm happy with it, and I'm going to take my glue bottle, twist it open, shake, add just a little bit of glue, not a whole lot. Roll it over and hold it together with my fingers. Now you're going to hold it for a while, and once you are done holding it, you're going to put glue again right there. So I'm pushing, and I am holding it. And sometimes it takes a little while for that to work. So don't be worried if it takes a little too long. Sometimes that happens. Put a little bit of glue, and I am going to hold it down with my fingers right on the leaf. You can make more than one ladybug, and you can do as many little circles as you would like. You can make a fat ladybug, a skinny ladybug. But I'm going to take another loop, another piece of paper, and I'm going to do it again. So now this is my little ladybug body. Now that I'm happy with it, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the wings. Now to do that, you should have some different kinds of paper inside your basket. I'm going to do red, but there's also some blue, some yellow, maybe some other colors in your baskets. I am going to take it and I'm going to draw a circle. It does not have to be perfect. You can draw the circle however you like, or an oval, or maybe a heart. You have a really fancy looking ladybug. I am now going to be cutting that out the best that I can. And if you accidentally mess up, that happens sometimes, there's always going to be extra paper. Looks good. Now I'm going to cut that in the middle, just so I can have two parts of the wings. So cut it straight across. Decorate it with spots. You can do silly spots, you can do spots with hearts, squares, whatever you think. And now I'm going to be putting glue on one part and put it right on my ladybug, right on the body. Now, as you can see, Miss Irvin can sometimes make mistakes. So sometimes when I do mistakes, I just wipe off the glue with my finger and just pop it on the other side that I need. Always good to double check. I'm just going to hold it very softly. And then I'm going to use whatever pieces of paper I have to decorate my ladybug. So I'm going to show you my old one that I made. I used paper for the eyes, for the mouth, for the antenna, and I had a lot of fun making it. But remember, kiddos, you're going to be taking these home today, so please make sure you write down your name and teacher code on the leaf, because we don't want anyone stealing these. There you go. So kiddos, thank you so much for watching. I think you're going to do good. Bye!